Hi, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to take a backup of your database. The instance which is useful you to create in a backup whenever you require to restore or somewhere else where the Postgres server is available. There also you can restore this particular database like a schema and database structure along with the data. Complete database backup, how it will take. A simple steps you need to follow with the standardization. First of all, you need to expand your server and version of the server where the database is available. Now see, it is on a databases is available 3 databases. Out of 3, I'm choosing as a store as a database. I'm going to taking as a backup. Now right click on the database, select the option is backup, click the backup here, and the file name you have to specify over here. In my system, I'm going to saving this database backup is in my drive. I'm going to choose like a click here. In simple terms, I'll tell you the E drive backup I'm making is in a my db dot extension of backup. My db dot backup I'm creating an extension with a backup file only. You click the backup here, or else let it be in the save as an SQL and create it. Yes, something is a earlier file is created, so it's asking are you want to replace the same file, and encoding you have to take it as a UTF-8, which is in a standard format which is acceptable for multiple servers of the language. All right, you need to choose as a UTF-8, and the role name you have to specify is a Postgres user. As a super user, you are taking a backup from your server. Hence, you can restore of your server with the later times by using Postgres user. You simply restore the database back to your server. Okay, click on backup. Now backup job is creating. Now you will receive a message successfully created your backup. The backup object of the SQL PostgreSQL Server 12 with the form of a database store which is created. More details you will see the information it will be shows where it is saved and all. All right. Now we will see the backup file which is the path is created there. It's available or not. Now partition E I have a under the backup I have created the file under E the backup. See here my backup file it is created. Okay. That's very much pretty easy to create the database backups in using pgadmin in database. Thank you for watching this session. Hope you enjoyed a lot. Thank you.